Charming 2-bedroom condo in prime location. Discover the perfect blend of comfort and convenience with this lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, ideally situated just behind Gateway Mall. Step inside to find a spacious living area featuring sliding glass doors that open to your own private balcony, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or relaxing in the evening. The well-appointed kitchen boasts a large walk-in pantry, providing ample storage for all your culinary needs. The master bedroom is a true retreat, complete with a 3/4 master bath for added privacy and convenience. Enjoy the ease of an elevator in the building, making access to your home a breeze. The small community room on the ground floor offers a welcoming space to connect with neighbors and socialize. Additional storage is available near your single attached garage, ensuring you have plenty of space for your belongings. This condo is part of a vibrant 55 and older community, perfect for those looking to enjoy a peaceful lifestyle. Please note that pets are not allowed. Don't miss